Hello everyone, my name is Yang Liu. I'm from Hokkaido University. Today I would like to introduce my research. My research title is Microplastic in Oysters of Japan Coastline. Our lab is doing the research on the food safety. First, I would like to introduce the background of the research. We all know that microplastic now is a very hot topic all over the world. Microplastic is less than 5 millimeter, even more tiny. Many researchers and research papers show that because of the human beings' activities, the plastic pollutions, the microplastic was found even in the seafood. Many microplastic fibers were found in Australian oysters. We can see from the pictures, many fibers was found in the oysters. They're polyethylene, nylon, and other kind of the plastic. So the aim of my research is investigating microplastic in Japanese oysters. First, what I did is using digital microscopy to check the digestive system and the gears of oysters. It is one example that I found a pink fiber in the oyster. Here we can see the pink fiber. Of course, not all of the oyster's gears have the microplastic, which was found just through the digital microscope. So that is the reason that I also used the optical microscopy to check it. It is my experimental material procedure. I removed the shell of oysters and used milky water washed them. Then put the oyster's body into 10% KOH solutions. Then I used the pump. The microplastic were remained on the surface of filter paper. I marked those microplastics through the optical microscopy. Then back to the page 3. Like the pictures shows one oysters has 5 or more microplastics. There's some typical microplastic shape. We can see that they're green and red fibers and fragments. Then is a result. Here I used a Raman spectral to identify this red fiber. Then I uploaded the data to the database. This software showed the result. The red fiber is nylon 6. The certainty is 80%. Next is there's some small conclusions of my research. Until now, we found many microplastic in oysters near the coastline of Japan. And those microplastics were found in both gears and the digestive system. Even not only the cultivated oysters, but also the wild oysters. It has really a high possibility that those microplastics are made of nylon 6. Although those oysters were treated with UV radiation in advance, but it's just for destroying the possible bacteria contamination. It doesn't work on the microplastics. And then thank you for listening my presentation. It is my email address. If you have any questions, please contact me.